This tutorial will explain how to revoke a user's access to an account and how to grant it back. To revoke a user's access to an account, navigate to Users under Settings and select a user by clicking it. On the right side panel, click the Account Access section to open it up. Then, click Edit next to the account the access to which you'd like to revoke and select Revoke Access. In the dialog box that appears, confirm the operation by clicking Yes, Proceed. You're all set. The user's access to the account has been revoked. The user can no longer log into Brokerment or switch to this account from another account. To grant back access to an account, click the current account at the top of the main menu and select the account to which you'd like to grant access. Then, navigate to Users under Settings and select the Former tab at the top of the page. Now select the user to whom you'd like to grant access and click the Give Access button on the right side panel. In the dialog box that appears, confirm the operation by clicking Yes, Give Access. You're all set. The user has been moved to the Active tab and can now log into Brokerment or switch to this account from another account. Thanks for watching and have a great day.